16-ounce sweet cream creamer.
You gotta be facing the camera.
52-ounce, whoops, Fairlife ultra pasteurized milk.
It means the cow's been cooked.
It's been irradiated.
Milk. When we're not talking about cow or cow lick. You seen it?
Fat or non-fat, plain yogurt. All right, pick this up, pour it in. Go ahead. Oh, that's thick.
She thick.
She thick.
Trash.
I'm adding the whole dang thing.
Not that much.
No, it's only like 4 ounces, which is not a whole lot.
Ew, there's something on there. What? What is it? Who cares? You washed,
It's Corona.
you washed your hands, right,
About
mother?
a month ago, before
Oh.
coronavirus hit.
Gonna die eating yogurt.
It needs the live cultures now. This is a whisk. Whisk. Just like that. Go ahead.
Do I need to fold it?
Do it. No folding. Just whisking.
How much will you?
Just do it till you don't feel any,
Lumps.
oh God. Speaking of lumps.
I mean, there's never a lump. There's not lumps in it.
No,
anyway.
you just don't want clumpy yogurt until it's done.
Clumpy yogurt is then turned into cottage cheese.
Oh God, yes.
All right, stop.
That's it. This is called cold start because everything in it is cold. All right. Push the button.
Wait, do you have to put the top on?
No, you don't pressure cook it.
Oh,
So you hit.
you leave it no top. You
Stop.
leave it. Oh.
No, you're gonna put something on it. All right, the yogurt button right there. Push it. It's gonna say 9 hours. We're gonna set it at 9 hours, and then it's gonna start by itself. Walk away. It's
We
almost.
don't want no buzz getting in our yogurt.
I'm gonna put a lid
Wait,
on
what's
it.
it doing?
It's getting ready to start.
What?
You see that little thing right there? It looks like fire up under pot. It's heating up. It is doing its thing.
Shit.
No, that's later. All right, look out. Let me see if I have a lid.
Yep.
Wow. Magic of television. We have a lid. Gonna put
I'll
that-
put this on my YouTube
If
channel.
you do, I'll kill
I'm
you.
so doing it.
Okay.
Then you can show everybody.
I
after
can
you-
use my Harris Teeter pitch. I could do a Harris Teeter Instapot pitch.
What would you call it?
Pitch pot. Bitch is pitch pot. Okay, so look, see it said at 0000. When it comes
That was a great year.
when it comes to a to the temperature, then the timer will kick. And it'll be 9 hours. So
What
9
time?
hours, it is 9:58 p.m. What's today? Saturday the
Oh,
15th?
sure.
14th. 14th, March 14th.
Tomorrow's the Ides of March,
Yeah, it is. We're going to
Is the
stab
what?
Caesar. Ides of March.
Okay.
So in 9 hours.
which is when
9 hours from now.
Wait, what time is it?
It is 9:59 now.
Okay, we're just gonna say 10 o'clock. 10,
It's 10 o'clock.
11, 12,
7
1,
o'clock.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m.
At 7 o'clock, we're going to have some yogurt. She ain't going to be upset. Neither will I. Just trust us.
Y'all ain't gonna be on the road by 7?
7:30.
Shit, hell no.
We're out of here at 7:30 sharp.
My ass sleep.
That'll be the day.
My ass will be
that'll be
sleep.
the hour. All right, there you go. Do you want to take a picture of what it looks like inside? right
Sure,
now?
it's fucking milk in there.
It is, but you should have a before and after, dingbat.
I didn't even do it before. So look,
Well,
now
do
we
it
gotta
before.
pour. We gotta pour it all out and start all over again.
No, 2 minutes have not hurt that. Go ahead. I know, I'm difficult.
Slightly.
You're welcome.
Those are cute pants.
Thanks. They're Iris pants. I have a top to match. This is my evening.
Your evening
This is
wear.
my evening wear. This is my evening weekend wear. This is the Iris evening weekend wear line.
Slash
Alright, so look,
doctorate.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay.
So it's 8 hours and 58 minutes.
Jesus.
I don't do math.
And you
All right.
haven't had any wine, so I don't know what's wrong
Not
with you.
one drop. Okay. So here, just take your camera and just take a look at it right now. All right.
Can I flip it around? I
Well, here. No. Do put it
I
over
am,
there.
but it's going like this. That's fine.
And it's just milk. And then before I go to bed, I'm going to put paper towel over it to soak up some of the condensation because we don't want no wet yogurt.
That's nasty.
Nasty wet yogurt.
Say bye.
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 We'll see y'all when it's yogurt.
See y'all when it's yogurt.
When we can stand a spoon in it, it's done.